Hi everyone, today we've got a video on the Ariya. This particular vehicle is a Ariya Evolve 87 kilowatt, so it's the long range version. Here's the front wheel drive model. Vehicle's finished in metallic grey paint. It does have the 22 kilowatt onboard charger, so we'll just show you that. So just pop open the side cover. You've got the 22 kilowatt charger on top and up to 22 kilowatts, and then we've got this vehicle can take up to 130 kilowatts under DC charging as well. So we've got the 19-inch alloy wheels. They're covered up at the moment. I will do a before and after video. This vehicle just arrived with us. This is how they come in from the factory. So the alloys are all covered up, the bonnet is covered up, and when we PDI the vehicle, we get all of this removed, and obviously the vehicle gets cleaned and ready for handover. All the protections are still in place. So when we open up the door, I'll just remove some of the covering on the seat so you can have a look at it. So we have a leather seat on the outside. It is Alcantara in the middle, or suede type of material. It's a really nice material, really hard wearing as well, comfortable to sit in. We have, because it's the Evolve, this vehicle does have a heads-up display, 2 screens, they're both almost 13 inches, and then you've almost got 13 inches on the heads-up display as well. That displays all your vital information like stereo, stuff like that as well. Alcantara finish on the dashboard here all the way through. You have the copper lining all the way through the vehicle as well, and then the door cards, they're covered up at the moment, but if we reveal some of that, so you've got the Alcantara lining just there as well, and these are all soft leather on the armrests with the copper stitching. All your window controls there as well. Vehicle's all sealed up, so as I say, this one's just literally come from the factory. We do have to get it prepared. Armrest moves back and forward, being an Evolve version. You can also open and close the center compartment when the engine's switched on. So we'll just power the engine on. And show you that. That's the center glove box. The seats do have memory adjustment on them as well, so they also give you the comfort access, ease of access and ease of entry, exit, which is the seat moves forward and back to let you in and out. All the driver settings are saved on each key. You get 2 keys with the vehicle, and we can save you all the profiles to that. Back seats, so again, everything's covered up, but you do have the Alcantara here, leather in the middle and leather around the sides of the seats as well. I like the fact that the Isofix fittings are actually zipped away, so there's no way if you're losing a clip or anything, which I've seen on other models. Go on to the boot. It does have the kick function as well. So these 2 clips that are in here, they're just for the exterior. They get fitted on PDI. This is a luggage area, and then 2 cables are underneath here. I will do a more in-depth video on this vehicle once we've fully cleaned it and prepared it. So close that boot for now. Signature on the back with the Nissan badge there and the Ariya. I think it goes really well with the colour, the gunmetal finish with those badges. The badges aren't too in your face kind of thing. All these lights are LED, so you have a brake light that goes all the way across. The indicator lights as well are all LED. Your reverse lights are LED as well. Your camera system, so we have 4 different cameras, one in the back, one in the one on each wing mirror, and one in the front as well. And then fifth one up at the top there, that's just for your level 2 autonomous driving features. Sensors all the way around, as we can see, and even the daytime running lights are in LED as well. They do turn into your indicator, so we'll just show you that quickly because there is a fancy feature with these. So your hazard lights are these here, so we'll just switch those on. So we've got an indicator in the wing mirror, and then they swipe up on the indicators as well. It's clearer to see when the actual indicator's on rather than the hazard lights. Come around the back. Again, LED lights on the back as well. We'll just switch it off. The vehicle's got a sunroof as well. That sunroof does open entirely. The front half, the sunroof does open up, and they've got a sun blind underneath it. Yeah, to lock the vehicle, just touch the door handle and that'll lock it all up. Folds the mirrors in. So just step back so you can get a better view of the whole vehicle. Here's a beautiful colour, this. I think it goes really well with the some of the chrome bits that are on the vehicle. And as I say, the badges on the back go really well with this colour as well. If you have any queries, or if you'd like to book a demonstration or a viewing of this particular vehicle, please do give me a call. My details will be below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.